You are now one step closer to firing your landlord. Our program is the first of its kind to have credit-challenged wannabe buyers to actually work with realtors and mortgage loan officers. Our program does not wait until you complete the credit phase until you're pre-qualified by one of our mortgage affiliates. You must have a 30-day waiting period after we start our preliminary audit to move on to phase 2. We turn over all of your financial information such as your W-2s, tax returns, bank statements, etc. to our mortgage partners. Within 48 hours, you receive a pre-qualification amount that would tell you the maximum allowable purchase price you can afford based on your location that you've chosen. Typically, without a qualified credit score, a realtor or a mortgage professional would not work with you. As long as you have your proper down payment, your mortgage partner will give you a financial pre-qualification that we will give to our realtor we select for you. Our loan programs are FHA loan programs that require you as the buyer to have saved 3.5% down payment. Our realtor network is critical to our process because they have to understand our program and explain that you are not a regular buyer that can close in a typical 30-day transaction. The realtor has to deal with the seller of the property or the listing realtor showing the property for sale. Our buyers agree to pay the list price of the house as long as a third party appraises the house that determines that value. We want to give the motivated seller the incentive to accept our deal. We typically have to offer the list price for the seller to give us extra time needed to close, which on average is 60 to 75 days. The seller also needs to give us a seller assist with a minimum of 3% to help with closing costs. Some of our sellers, once you find a property, will allow you to temporarily rent the property while your mortgage is being prepped. There may be extra money needed as security for our sellers. Most of our sellers will accept your offer and give us the necessary time to get the scores up so we can close. Based on your scenario, the staff at My Landlord Is Fired, your mortgage company, and your realtor will have a customized strategy just for you. It's important that you follow everything we ask you to do, including the instructions of your realtor and loan officer, and you'll be further along in firing your landlord.